What's up, beautiful people? As you can see behind me, it is an absolutely beautiful day here in Bermuda. The sun is shining, but I'm wearing this hoodie because it's actually still freezing. Anyway, today I just took a look outside, and I arrived at this concept, and it's this concept of being at a vantage point. So here I am at a vantage point. As you can see behind me, there's a lot to see. There's a lot of places to go, a lot of possibility out there. And I'm able to perceive that possibility because of this vantage point that I'm at. But just because I'm able to perceive this possibility from here doesn't mean that I'm able to get there by staying here. I can see it from here. I can turn on, there it is. It's all right there. But I can't actually get there from here. I have to go over there. And it's the same with life. Wherever you're at in your life causes you or allows you to perceive things in a particular way. It allows you to perceive everything that's possible for you from that standpoint, that vantage point that you're at. Wherever you are allows you access to a whole world of possibilities, just like you see there. But you can't get to those possibilities by staying the same person as you are. You can't get what you want from where you are. You have to grow in order to get there. You have to reflect on yourself, analyze where you're at, the things that are working and not working in your life. You have to let certain things go. You have to acquire new characteristics, things like that. You have to continue working on yourself as a person as you're along this journey. And essentially that's what it is. From here to wherever you want to be, it's just like going from where I'm standing to any one of these places behind me. It's a journey. Along the way, you're on the path that takes you to what you're wanting to go to. And along the way, you encounter the things that allow you to actually have access to that thing that you want. It's the journey in between now, where you are now, here, and what you want. That journey in between is a time and space that allows you the access and growth to actually have the things that you want. So that's my little thought for this morning. Remember to like it and share it if it inspires you. If it doesn't, like it and share it anyway, because it might be really important to someone in your life that you really care about. You never know how far these things go. I always say that you're not here without a reason. So thanks for listening. Like and share. Remember to check me out on Instagram at Cushai Ming. That's CUSHIMING. On Facebook as well. Like, share, get it on. Have a good day. Be positive, be beautiful, and love yourself.